If you're like me, you're trying to make some money online with AI. Well, this video is for you because I'm going to take my no coding experience, lizard brain, and I'm going to try to put it to AI and develop an app. I've already done this. This is going to be part two. I started. If you want to see me struggle with what I've done in the past, you can go ahead and do that. But in this video, I'm just going to keep on cranking away. So if you want to build your own app, you want to kick around your own ideas, or you want to help me build my idea, I'm glad you're here on this stream. My name is Aaron, just a cowboy exploring the wild west of cryptocurrency, AI, magic internet monies, and I'm glad you're here with me. And so let's get started here. I'm going to go ahead and pull up my screen, and we're going to get to Lovable. And this is the platform I use. Again, I'm zero technical ability, so I just needed the easiest thing that it pulls up. So I then put in the prompt on the left-hand side of my screen, and then the app shows up on the right side. So before we got started, I put in this idea because it's really birthed out of an idea that the Bandit, if you guys remember him and myself were talking, and we needed like some kind of way to keep track of our house and all the stuff that's in it. And then I wanted to come up with an idea for my job, my church, and keeping up with the maintenance there. And so I'm developing this app mainly for that, to keep up on the maintenance of all the little appliances and assets. And I need to use the house and the church, so I get kind of both sides. Green Fingers, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the stream. I'm really glad to see you, man. This is really fun to see you again and kick it with you. Late nights. I'm not sure if you're at work again still, but that's what you do in the other side of the pond. Anyway, here we go. We're getting going. I think what the problem was last time was I was running into errors on like editing this, and I wanted to see how I can edit this task. And so we finally fixed that. We edit the task, and then we could do that. But then it's not really intuitive. I need to know what I'm kind of clicking. Um, and then the by parts is not working. So if I put by parts, I'm gonna like take a screenshot and link this and put it over here and say the by parts button should connect to the links I give it or a recommended item. I want all, I want to see if this is sweet. I want all links in this app to be able to use my own Amazon affiliate link. So, bang. Let's see if that works. I don't know. Also, I got to create a user base. So after that's done with that little chore, I'm going to go over here. I put in this user base here, right? This is the user base, right? User profile authentication, onboarding flow, main dashboard navigation, asset tasks and details, configure push notifications. So I just need this. I need this. Create a new prompt for the user profiles. Require users to set up secure authentication, privacy controls, allow users to invite someone, and create a locations sharing feature between users. I want to be able to charge for a pro version in the future. So keep and to use user invites as part of a promotional or discounts. I don't know. 3:45, 2 hours left. I can hear my pillow. Yeah, geez Louise. One of the hardest working people, dude. That's good. All right, let's see here. User profile. Implement robust security throughout secure authentication Bcrypt hashing, optional 2FA, Google Auth. Accessible, let's see, security features, industry standard password hashing. Okay, whatever. The rest of the features unchanged from previous demo data. Yeah, okay. Let's copy this. That sounds good. Let's bring it into Lovable. Okay, so okay, hold on. So done by parts. If I go by parts, I don't know. We'll fix that later. Let's get the users in here. Okay, create users. Forget this demo data. Forget this top part. Users and profile. Okay, well, we need security. After clean model look, blah, 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 implement robust security. Okay, good. So we got to do this. Profile management. I'll just put this down here. Okay, we're going to create a user base. Okay, now I got the providers. Let's see how this. Okay, we can't even add providers here. So let's say like I'm in here and I want to see what's going on. I got my condenser coils for my Samsung refrigerator. Why doesn't this seem proper? Okay, here we go. Claim 5 credits. Thank you. I'll claim that. Thanks. Claim. If you want to use Lovable for yourself, go ahead and I put a referral link down in the description below. I get 5 credits, whatever. Let this thing cook. Complete backend and AI models out of the box. Okay, yeah, very good. I should also be able to see the users, shouldn't I? Like an admin, a special admin level that I can see. And a ticketing system, definitely. So when people start to use this thing, hopefully if you guys would use it for your own stuff and just kind of tell me what you want and what you need and all that kind of stuff. So let's see, family SUV, 45,000 miles. Why would keeping a mileage update miles? Maybe I could update the miles, because that'd be hard to keep up with. I think I'm gonna have to go through each type of asset and really try to hone in each one. Location, family, home, peace of mind. Wait, didn't I change that? I changed this. Location, the den. All right, this is in Florida. Okay. Oh, because there's no user profile attached to it. That's probably why. So I need to create user profiles to be able to save this. Otherwise, this is just my own personal like app. And I think what would be cool is if I linked like different links in here. So if I took the Nissan Pathfinder and I took like, I don't know, like I'm editing the Nissan Pathfinder now. Maybe I could add like I don't know. Bought it 25,000. I bought my Pathfinder at 19,000. Save. There should be like a add. So refrigerator, I could add tasks. I should also be able to add a note or a log. Maintenance tasks. And it should have the, I don't know why this thing is here. Actually, now I'm looking at it. Why do I need the percentage? I don't know if I need the percentage on there. Okay. I don't know if I need the percentage. This a Samsung refrigerator. I should be able to like have a link to go to like the warranty or something. So it should be able to add links. So I need to be able to add task, add links, and add log. That's what I need. Warranty December. That's pretty good. So like I have a dishwasher, which I don't see on here. Oh, look at this. Welcome back, faithful steward. I hate that. Kingdom keeper. Okay. This right here, since I've set this up in another app, this is so hard. I might have to do this off screen because I have to reveal like OAuth and authenticator stuff. I don't know. So I might have to do this separately off screen, but this is extremely hard to do. This is not simple. I got to actually detail the exact steps for doing that. So maybe I'll record it all and then I'll like edit it. I don't know. Having your Google authenticator login, that's difficult. Okay. So I need to sign up. My name is Aaron. Okay. And referral code optional. Create. Okay, very good. So I have my stuff. Now I need to know like a profile. Can I edit my profile? Oh, there we go. Display name. Display name is Aaron. Amazon, add your affiliate tag to all Amazon links. Your affiliate tag will be automatically. Okay, so I think what I need to do, I would like to make my account an admin account that has options to show the amount of users, and usage. Like, yeah. Also to be able to put my Amazon affiliate link there. So when other users have a recommended buy from my app for their appliance, it uses my affiliate link. Okay, so this is now my source of income, source of revenue right there, affiliates. Okay. Let's set up an admin account before we get too far. This little thing here is annoying me. This lack of border. Okay. Kingdom Keeper. Customize your Kingdom Keeper experience. Okay. I'll add the payment portals later because I need to get to a base level of workability. Did you ever see the missing poster? I poster in Discord. I haven't been in Discord in a long time, GF. I'm so sorry. What email address did you use to sign up? Wait, hold on. I'll provide my email. Enter your email account to receive admin access. What email access? I'll assign, okay. A personal project for me, friends and family, my team, a client, external product for all of it, myself and everything. Okay. My team, everything. I'm just using for why stop it my thing. I'll assign admin privileges to that account. Okay, what account? Admin privileges. Admin privileges. Okay. ARN@gmail.com is the admin account. Make that the admin account. Okay. So, all right. So let me just, the back end should be, I don't know, 10% done. Except I don't see it. I don't think I need my assets here down at the bottom. Maybe I need like a scrolling assets here. I'm not too sure how this looks. It was on my old account, which got hacked. Oh no, you got an old account. That's lame, dude. Overdue on task assets. Okay. Now I'll create admin dashboard component and update the app to show it. Okay, good. All right, so let's just start at locations. I don't like this. I don't like how there's spacing here. And I like that it shows the amount of assets there. It should also show people shared with. Let me add the admin view to the sidebar and index page. Yeah, good. And then why did I change that and hasn't changed? So I changed this location. Okay, that's interesting. Let me change it again. The crib. And then the den. And then Florida. I've had to change this now and it doesn't save. So there's the crib. Assets is the crib. Locations, the crib. Okay, I'm in the crib. This is good. And it changes it everywhere. Good. I think it's because I didn't have an attached. We're going to change this to sunlight. We're going to change sunlight, SLW. Okay. And then this will be, I'm not sure if I need this notes section here. I don't know. All right, cool. If I have to remove that for other things, then I will. Let's see here. We'll do GF, we'll do. Let's see here. Now let me add the admin view. So, okay, here, admin view, boom. Total users, new users, locations, number of tasks, as completions, affiliate tag. This tag will be used for all recommended product links across for all users. Oh, that's awesome. So how do I add that? How do I add that affiliate tag? Maybe I could find it here. Amazon. So I'm in another link, but if I get my affiliate, get link, store, store ID, get link. What if I get this? I think it's like Cowboys of Crypto 20. All right. I'll have to worry about that later. So this looks good so far. We'll come back to this. All right. Now let's focus on the locations, the crib. Let's take this. Let's screenshot it. And then we'll go into here. And then we're going to put in manage the space better. Manage the space better in the cards. Move the edit and delete buttons to inside the location. Space out and don't, and remove the blank space between the text and the right side of the card. make it cleaned up and balanced. Okay, that's pretty good. I don't mind that. Let's just start there. All right. So when we're in the location, hold on, no, I'm in the dashboard locations. I click in the dashboard. It should give me an overview of all the assets or something. It takes me here, which is not good. It needs to, what should it say? What would be the most helpful thing? Maybe. Okay. Let's go. Let's just think it through. This is my app. Let's take it. Go. Okay. This is my app dashboard. When I click on a location tab, it sends me here. But what are the most important and frequent things that someone who owns the property needs to know? Basic information, upcoming tasks for maintenance. I don't know. Yeah, something like that. Anything else? What should the layout be? I need to ask that. Okay. So how's it going here? Cleaned up the location cards. Okay, that looks great. That looks great. That looks great. Locations, if I go to sunlight, this should be sunlight. Okay, good. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay. And then if you're here, you could switch the locations up here too. All right. Yeah. We'll take that really quick and say it should change the add new kingdom to add new location. Okay, really quick. All right, so now I've got assets. St. Lucie West, and then the crib. Got sunlight, and then the crib. If I go to the crib and I go to sunlight, it's the same. So now I need to go into here, assets. The assets are not correctly displaying under the right location. Please fix. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Maybe what would be very helpful here, instead of a note or a description, it should be the last log or something. Okay. So here's my locations. I should be able to I should be able to pull up the location and it showed me a floor map. That would be sick. Zillow ranking. Probably a floor map in Zillow ranking is probably the best bet. Let me think here. Okay, let's just go to assets. Okay, if I'm going to here, St. Lucie West. I'm thinking on two different levels. Like I'm thinking on like an industrial complex. So like, it'd be cool is if I had basic information like, hold on, what am I doing? Okay, if I go to locations and I click in the locations, I should see. Hmm. Okay, let's do something easy. Add service providers. Add a button to add service providers. Add an option to tag them with a location or with assets or tasks. Maybe a ranking system. No service providers. Okay, so let's go into hamburger mode. Providers are there. Okay, good. Okay, search. Settings. Do sign out. Built with love and faithfulness. I gotta remove that. It's so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna go to dashboard. Okay, let's add a. Ooh, an estimated cost to replace or sell. That'd be good. The crib. What did I ask? I forget. A button to service providers. Okay, yeah, I'm working on service providers right now. Okay, this task should be ordered. The crib. Okay, so it has both. Annual dot inspection. Department of Travel inspection. Okay, yeah. Maybe. Hold on, what happened there? Task. Church bus sunlight. And it went to the crib. No. It should pull up locations. Okay, add providers. Okay, add provider, add your first provider. Let's do like I don't know, advanced auto. Phone number, email address. I have no idea. Tag with locations. The crib. Oh, this is good. Tag with assets. Pathfinder. Personal tune-up. Replace air filter with water filter. Okay. All right. Okay. How would this be better? Be better to find on Google? I don't know. Okay. Let's do this. Add provider. Make it so that I select crib, select a location first, then it brings up assets at the location. Then I select an asset, then it brings up tasks associated with that asset to select. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, so now I don't really like this because then I have to go back and forth. It's not easy. But that'll work right now. I'd like to select. You know what I mean? Oh. Now I'll replace the section logic. Okay. Okay, let's see what this said. Let's see. Okay, your dashboard is already strong, gives a clean summary of tasks. Owners want quick peace of mind on these key areas. Most important and frequent things owners need. Upcoming overdue maintenance, top priority. At a glance status on overall health of the location. How many tasks are overdue? Okay. Like your current cards, quick for scanning. Asset overview. Property info. Yeah, that's what it needs. Address, photo, key details, year built, square footage of the home. Yep. Recent activity history snapshot. Yeah. Cost expense trends, year-to-date maintenance on spend. Oh, that's good. Critical alerts. Yeah, that's good. Less frequent but useful. Provider contacts, document, quick access, warranties, receipts. Shift from pure task list focus to asset-centric dashboard with prominent visuals. This matches. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Create a prompt for Lovable with this description as the goal in mind. Okay. Create an app. No. Redesigned location, dashboard layout, structure, header area, red, yellow, due soon, asset grid, primary focus. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's good. Yep. Let's take it back to Lovable. Okay, what did this do now? Assets location, make it so that the select access location brings up the location. Okay. So yeah, added provider, home, Pathfinder. Yeah, there you go. Samsung refrigerator. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. And it's optional too. This is good. Okay, let's add that now. All right, that's good. Okay, so like I could add Victor. And he needs to be like, okay, plumber. Okay, so here. Okay, so these locations are not up to date, by the way. And then this will be my house, plumber. Make the select asset optional. Okay, I want him to, so I want him to use that both Grace and my home. I need to be able to select more. Okay. It needs to be select all, and then optional before I could add a provider. Yeah, okay. We're almost there. Due soon, overdue, on track. Maybe it should be able to upload pictures like of the asset. Yeah. Okay, here's my admin. Nice. Settings. Okay, I need to remove that affiliate tag there. Profile, control, security, control, delete account, export data, change password. Okay. Gotta clean that up. Ooh, it's good for now. All right, let's see. Steward your locations with wisdom. My location, 3 assets, 7 tasks. Spend this year. Ooh, that's good. Okay, done. Oh, perfect. Oh, this is better. This feels better. This feels good. Although I think the assets take up too much room. Maybe like a scroll. Okay, I like that. Okay. Okay. We're running into an issue here. You still got the C. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry, Gia. You still have this invite link for the Discord. There are a few cows I lost touch with that account. Yes, let me find that. Hold on, let me pull up this Discord. It's been so long since I pulled up this Discord. Oh my gosh, it has to like re-verify downloading updates. It's gonna take a second. It's gonna take a second, GF. It's gonna take a second. Hold on. Maybe Discord is somewhere. The link is probably still in my old videos if you want. If you don't want to, I'm like updating this Discord. Gotta like re-download it, dude. Okay. I keep editing my home name and location, and it doesn't update. It keeps reverting back. Fix this. Fix it to the core so that the logic is good. I don't know how to say it. All right, here we go. Let's see. Wow. How do I get this again? Invite to server. Here's the link. There you go, GF. Let's see. Where is this picture you said you sent? Oh, get out. Any information, contact this. Dude, that's hilarious. Oh my goodness. Yo, this picture looks a lot like me, dude. 3 million Pepe. How much is 3 million Pepe, dude? How much is that? Okay, let's see here. Okay, it added an add asset button here, which I don't think we need. I don't think we need this add asset button. No, we should take this off. Steward your locations with wisdom. Keep your assets healthy and maintain and your maintenance on track for peace of mind. Change cabin air filter. That should be able to pull this up. What is this percentage? I don't understand it. You're perfect. your preferred product. Edit task. It should be preferred product, preferred service. Oh, what happened here? Skip for now. I need to fix the casting issues. Let me update the context with proper heading. Okay, whatever. All right. Let's see here. So this looked better, but now I've got to add threats. And like an insurance piece. So if I open up, okay, hold on. Let me think this through. There needs to be a log. Like a journal log, something. Welcome to Kingdom People, your faithful companion for maintaining everything God has entrusted your care. I need to remove this. Remove the churchy language. Now check for any other files that might be old API used. Let me use for usage. Let me see the manage using old synchronous API. I need to update it with the async API. What does that mean? I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. Okay, fetches data from Supabase. Task. Okay, I got to create a new Supabase thing. Okay, good. Skip. Uh-oh, what happened here? What happened to all my locations? On load locations as okay, whatever. All right. The den. Florida. Port St. Lucie, Florida. Okay. Then there are no assets. Deleted everything. Okay. No problem. And then like sunlight. Okay. There you go. Okay. I'm gonna take this. We're gonna go like this. I'm gonna like. Okay. We're gonna add a first asset. We're gonna do a dishwasher. We're gonna do a vehicle. 2018, 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Okay, at a vehicle purchase price, let's do like 19,000. Yeah. What are some? Okay. Here is me adding a vehicle as an asset. The fields seem quite narrow. Seem quite insufficient. What fields do I need for someone to properly maintain a vehicle? What information is needed to put in? Also, is there a way to link to KBB for defining market value? Create a prompt for me for this to put in Lovable. All right, there we go. Year, make, model, purchase, price, warranty, and for license plate, insurance details. Yeah, that kind of stuff. Yeah, that's good. To probably track and maintain an app, like vehicle in an app like this, you need fields that capture key identifier. Core, let's see, yeah, fields, purchase date, market value, KV link. Fields, all right. Yep. It should all be optional too. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Okay. Let's add that. Field should be optional. I should have put field should be optional. Should be able to add pictures too. Update comprehensive asset form modal component. I hope it doesn't delete my data again. I really hope it doesn't delete the data again. I don't think we need the building. Maybe appliance equipment structure building. See you, GF. See ya. Okay, providers, search, settings, admin. 2 locations, global affiliate settings. Let's see, while it's looking up, I might as well search my, how do I get my affiliate? How do I get my affiliate thing? I have a store ID. I don't know how to find my. All right, I'm just going to do this. Okay, here we go. So we'll do admin. This one is on MZ Cowboys O-20. Save. Global affiliate saved. Okay. Yo, apparently now update the church bus vehicle with a. Spend this year is good. Maybe spend like this month. Okay. What's going on, Half Court? Yep, live again. I want to finish this app totally on live. So yeah. I've enhanced the asset management forms. Comprehensive fields. Here's what I implemented. Okay, good. Okay, so if I go like add asset, vehicle, building, appliance, HVAC, nope. Custom, warranty details, that's not good. So vehicle, that's pretty good. Check KBB value. What was that? So 2017, 2017. How does this look like on mobile? Okay, not bad. Nissan Pathfinder. SL. VIN, I don't know. Current mileage, 85,000. Fuel type, gasoline. License plate, yeah, ABC. Registration expiration date, I don't know. Provider, insurance provider. State Farm policy number, sure. I don't know. Check KBB value. Ooh, this is nice. So this is now, is the value of it. Where's the value? Value somewhere? Cars for sale. Here we go. 17,000, 9,000, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I think that's okay. Rotate short. Okay, air engineer, Joker, blah, blah, blah. Okay, good. Okay. I added the maintenance tasks, but why didn't it add? Okay. When I added an asset, I selected the recommended tasks to do, but it never updated. Also, make sure it shows the details of the asset and include a log of things I've done. Let's see what else. It should include preferred provider and preferred tools, parts, preferred parts section in the fields to display. Also, include the KVB link in the asset card when I open it up. Okay, there we go. Now we sit and we wait. We edit. It's got one asset there, but no task. But when I added it, I added tasks. The suggestions update happens, but the asset didn't refresh properly since the module is already being closed. So the asset details panel needs more content. Let me fix both issues and enhance the detailed view. Yes. Detailed view. Now if I go into here, detailed view, yeah, that's good. That's good, that's good, that's good. Go in here, I should be able to edit. This spacing is weird. I don't like it. Go into here. It looks good there. Looks good on tablet. It does not look good on mobile. Okay, gotta edit that. Okay, when I could get this correct, it would be good. Boop, and it should be showing it there. Locations, assets, tasks, providers. Almost there. The higher up the mountain. I need to remove this thing. Add asset. Should ask for the location first. Let's say switch the location here and there's a link there. Purchase price versus date, brief description of the asset, notes, service history, quick reminders. Okay. Try adding an asset again and selecting the recommended task. They should save correctly now when you show up. Okay. Delete this. The asset. Nissan. Pathfinder. SL. 2017. Yep. Policy number. Asset name. Purchase price was like $17,000. Purchase date was a long time ago. October 1st. Add asset. And then recommended maintenance tasks. Yes. Tasks and data is still not attached. What's going on? The tasks and details are still not there on the expanded details tab for the asset. Fix it. Fix it. Why are you not there? What happened? The details are not there. Okay. Just got to keep on telling you to fix it. Not a working model yet, so just looks right now. The crazy thing is that I had it. It was there, kinda. I guess it was never really there. All right, here we go. Let's back up. Faithful companion for maintaining everything. Okay, we're gonna remove that. We'll change the onboarding later. We got to change that later. We got to build the actual thing first. Man, it just like kind of reverted back after all that time. Sunlight, no assets. I guess it should say assets, tasks, assets and tasks. Yeah. Add location. This is too little information. Let's go back into this. Right here. Bring it into here. This is the current add location form. It seems like it doesn't ask enough questions to make it useful. What are the fields needed to be useful and have on hand? Make them optional to not give fatigue or overwhelming. Use multiple slides if needed for the form. Generate this prompt for Lovable to implement. Okay, there we go. So this is still working on the fields. Well, this is working on the prompt that's being made. So I'm simultaneously double dipping with here. Yeah. Encoding takes a long time. Drop down. Home, church, rental property. Helps tailor-made suggestions. Address, tooltip for a specific location or mapping. Tracks property age for tasks like inspections. Over rooms or floors. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's see here. No task yet, but we can delete the task. Yes, delete. Okay, we're going to add an asset. Again, 2017. Nissan Pathfinder. I worked with multiple dudes that built apps and websites. Some I am still connected to. But I most definitely know people. Get them to build an app, dude. I don't know anything about this thing. Okay, let's just add asset and test. There we go. There we go. Now we're talking. Details, check ABV value. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. I like this. Brake inspection every 12 months. Schedule. Maybe what's the best way to do that? I'm not too sure what that is about too. Okay. Okay. Fuel, gasoline. Okay, what if I do something like current mileage 60,000, license plate, registration. Let's just pick some stuff here. State Farm, policy number, policy one. Let's just see what happens. Market value, purchase price, select the date, dummy information, family car. It's 30. Where does this thing save? Oh yeah, look at that. That looks awesome. Value, explanation, State Farm policy. Okay, it's not bad. Like that. Okay. 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 Add service provider. Okay. The form is too long, so to avoid fatigue, make it in steps. Also add per a option to add preferred service provider. Yeah. And a log for things done to it. For instance, if it was in a crash or got a flat or needed new tires, I want a log to be able to keep track of it. This is in addition to the regular maintenance of the tasks. Okay, there you go. It's pretty good so far. I want like a preferred vendor there. I want you'd like my buddy Matt. He builds apps and he's a father. Man of God. Right up your alley. I'm connected to still. All right, cool. Does he charge? Because I'm just doing this for fun. So I'm a hobbyist at best. Let's see. All right. Overdue by a day. We're done. So like brake inspection, I want to be able to say, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I click done, what happens? Does it just take it off? Okay. If I click done, it needs to pull up something like, what happened? You know, like what happened? Tell me about it. Did you ever make money from your YouTube channel? Yeah, I did. I don't know that, but I know he would speak to you for sure for free if I asked him to. Whether he has a fee or not, I'm not sure. All right, I might take you up on that. Maybe when I run into a problem, half court. When I when I run into a problem, that's when I think I'll be ready to talk. And it's like a small problem every time. I'll update the steps. Okay, so I really like this asset right now. It's really looking good. Needs an upload picture option. Recent activity log. Bang, that's pretty good. This check KBB value is slick. That is slick. I don't know why it keeps bringing this back up. Maybe I'll remove the onboarding. Remove the onboarding. I keep going back to it. Okay, remove this add asset thing there button. I wish AI could work faster. Faster than my puny lizard brain. Okay, one asset at the den. Okay, tasks, break inspection. Okay, these tasks need to be I keep saying this, it needs to be reorganized. And I don't think by percentage, I think this needs to be by days. Yeah. It needs to be by days. Okay, let's start adding some assets. 23 degrees and snow blows. Okay, let's do it. Let's add. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's do appliance. Yep. Dishwasher. Bought at Lowe's for $600. Next. Oh, it's not working yet. Okay. Chill. I need chill. Huh. What just happened there? Okay. Asset event log. Okay, so let's add asset. Let's go to appliance. Dishwasher, Lowe's. Next. Purchase price $600. Purchase date December 23rd. Warranty provider. Expiration a year from now. Oh. Is a problem? Probably like there. There's the expiration date. Coverage notes. I want to be able to add links. Okay. Also add links. Also include add links. Links with titles and short descriptions. Okay, here we go. Go in here, edit. Okay, go. Vehicle, family car. It's dirty. Is it on there anywhere? Log event. Flat tire on the highway. Incident. Cost. I don't think it needs to be incident. I think that's redundant. Repairs, upgrades. I think that's redundant. I don't think we need that. Flat tire. What happened here? Yeah, go back to Florida, man. Florida's a spot. The build is working. Just a minor react ref warning. Calendar, helpful links. Set up the lizard. Okay, good. The lizard, the wizard. It's good for now. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, add event log. Add maintenance tasks. Flat tire. Driving on the highway. Bumped up the brakes. Now I need a new tire. Okay, log event. Let's see how that looks like. Flat tire. I want to be able to edit the log and then delete it. Good. Edit and delete. Edit and delete the app. Okay. And to be able to edit the log and combine the maintenance logs with the event logs. In the event log form, remove the repair incident drop down, categorizing the log entries, and remove the cost field. These fields are not needed. Okay. Also add the option to add links. Add preferred There you go. Only use the app if I could long short crypto on it. Can't do it. I tried making a wallet. I tried doing that. Do you guys have any other ideas? Anything? Maybe I should put this on. Can you access it? Create an invite link. Just view access. Here's the link. Take a look around the app. Viewer access. Oh boy. Okay, skip for now. Okay, let's location. Let's go to sunlight. Let's go to sunlight. We could do like is in my Discord DM. I need to go there. Half court. I just asked GF. I just logged in to the Discord. I had to download so many updates. It was uninstalled in my computer. All right. Come on, let's log in. I think I've got a couple more edits in me, and then I'm gonna take off for the night, but not without hearing your idea first. Also, I need to add the option to add pictures, but then where would these pictures be stored? It is a long one. See, here's some logs. See what happened here. You're passing out too. Yeah, I'm passing out. We must lock in though. We must lock in. I need to create edit event form component. Clean washing machine. Activity log. Ooh. It's maybe because I'm messing around with it. I was probably messing with it while I was doing stuff. I shouldn't mess with anything, but I should just click around. Assets, tasks. This needs to be reversed. And be able to see toggle between. Just like that. Let's do this. Let's do dishwasher. Huh, that doesn't work. Dishwasher right there. Providers, search, dishwasher. Okay, the search feature does not work. Doesn't work. Okay. It should be done. Add task. Flat tire, driving on the highway, maintenance, pump brakes. Okay. Links. I could add a link. That's good. But I don't want to add a link there. I wanted to add a link here. No, I don't want to add a link there. Page inspection. Okay. Let's go into here. Helpful links. Purchase warranty. Service providers. Let's do Victor. His phone number and provider. And a link. Something like tires URL. Let's do this. Air filter. Code your own aid. That works for SCO. Yeah, that'd be awesome. So if I go air filter, looks pretty good. It's pretty good. No, but I want to add it. I want the add link option to be with the to be on the main card, not in the activity log forms. There you go. On the detail, asset detail card. This is the asset detail card. So this is a Maytag. Yeah, that way I could link like the warranty there or service, and I don't have to. It's like very optional. Maytag. Huh. There you go, Maytag. Helpful links. That's pretty good. Add task. Good. Add maintenance task. Activity log. Details. That's pretty good. That's pretty darn good. So you could do like warranty right there. Shoot, that's pretty darn good. I like that. Helpful links in the Pathfinder there. If I do the activity log, it's not that. Yeah, I guess you could add a link there. It doesn't matter. Okay, oil change. These should be how-to videos. These should be helpful links. Yeah, I'd like that too. Oh man, that looks good. Bang, that's exactly what I want. The only thing missing now is pictures. Otherwise, I'm pretty darn near good to go. KBB value is the slickest part. Bang. I wonder if I could go dishwasher. and like Maytag dishwasher repair parts. Lower wheels rack. So like if I do this, if I do URL lower wheels rack replacement and link, bang, click that and buy. Maintenance task, clean filter, every once a month, every 1 month. I don't really like that. I don't like that. I like the Google Calendar. Is like got it. Is like a thing. Okay. Like Tuesday does not repeat, add deadline. Okay, I like that. So I'm going to do it over here, bring it over here, put in for the tasks. I want you to pattern the task scheduling after Google's calendar scheduling. So that it makes sense. It is simple. Also, remove the how to videos or replacement parts, and just put the links option in there again under service providers. Put the option to select an existing provider or to add a new one. There you go. Let's do that. That's pretty good. Okay. Oh, man. So I need to remove this little button here. View upcoming tasks. Maybe like a view log. Context Google. Okay. It's pretty good so far. I like this way this asset is looking. Okay. Vehicle details. Family car. Purchase. 19,000. Purchase this date. Mileage. Okay, there's a problem. That mileage changes a lot. The mileage changes a lot. That's something I gotta figure out. Helpful links, maintenance tasks, activity log, delete asset. I don't want the delete asset thing right there. I feel like someone could delete it by accident. Google Calendar style. Okay, good. So if I want to add this task, I want to add a task. Nope. Edit the task. Nope, that's not it. Edit the task. Asset. Add a task. Make sure adding a task and editing a task is the same in sync. Like Google, have it select the date for the next one and add frequency. Okay, is that how we do it? So the task, this does not repeat. Only on December 5th. Daily, custom, every weekday. Daily, custom, once a month, etc. Once a year, etc. Okay. Okay, I'm really liking how this is turning out. Okay, now the problem is with a dishwasher, I feel like we could be better with the thing. So like when I created a dishwasher, an asset. Next. Nope. Category. Building. Okay. Change the category of okay. What's this now again? Yeah. These are the categories for assets. Is this optimal and easiest and simplest? If not, what is? What is this again? Add location and location's got to be, yeah. It's got to be empty. We need this. We need this in our lives. Updated. There you go. This is for location now. We're just working on assets, but now I'm hopping back to the locations. And location, that's so whack. Now I got to clean up unused code. Let me clean up the unused imports, presets, task model. Yep. Hmm. Location. 2 tasks overdue. Yep. I want to see the logs too. I want to see the assets, upcoming tasks, and the logs. Location should have a log to it. Okay. Also add an option to add logs to the location as well. Okay, let's update that. Okay, very good. Maybe I should have a subscriptions on here. Okay. Okay. This one's a little harder. Make tag, 6 tasks. Okay, I need to clean. Wait, why is this not there? Okay, it's clean. Filter. Repeat every 6 months. Okay. Too vague and uncommon motion. Categories: appliance, HVAC and heating, plumbing. Yeah. Home system, plumbing, electrical, roof, etc. Major appliance, vehicles, home. We do like building actually. Okay. we're going to do that. We're going to bring it into here. Locations. Edit. Church, rental property, office, work, custom, other. Okay. Let's see, vehicle. Structure. Roof. HVAC. Custom. Plumbing. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four, 5. I think you could narrow it down to 4. What would they be called? Home system. Yeah, there you go. Vehicle, appliance, home system. Let's do that. Let's bring it out here. We're going to do that. Okay. Assets. Locations, edit. Now for locations, what for type of location, what type of what type of categories would you use to make it simple? Home, rental property. No. Not everyone runs a church. So like home, rental property, work, other. And with the location types, pare it down to home, rental, work, other. There you go. Like that. Your build required. So this is my home. All right. I'm calling it, guys. This is it. We built something really great in the last couple of minutes here. Was it like 3 hours? It's 2 here, and then probably an hour and a half earlier. So 3.5 hours. I think we got something cooking. Let's see. I'm going to view copy invite. Yeah, this is good so far. Maytag, helpful links. That helpful links thing is so clutch, I'm telling you. It's so helpful. So like if I did this and I put in like flooring location, I put in like, how would I log flooring? I'll go into here. I need to log it. I need to redo this. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Okay, fix that. Fix the indent of the category vehicle. And every step should have the same sized form. Format the text inside each step. Purchase and warranty, etc. It looks awkward and make it look clean. Make sure it's all visible and works smooth and clean in mobile view. Okay, there you go. Man, every time I'm about to leave, I'm like still picking up something. All right, folks, that's it. I got to call it. I'm exhausted. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me on the stream. If you were with me, Half Court, GF, appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for being with me. I'm gonna finish this app. I'm gonna do it all online. It's gonna be beautiful. If you want to check it out, the links are in there, and then you guys can view it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next stream, which will be soon.